Add 1 1/2 bags of frozen peaches to your blender. To that, add sugar, cinnamon, salt, water, vanilla, and lemon juice. Puree until smooth. Add milk and heavy cream. Blend on lowest setting until incorporated. Remove the blades from your blender. Try to get everything off the blades with a spatula. Pour the bourbon in and stir until combined. Taste for flavor and sweetness. Pour the mixture into your ice cream maker bowl and churn according to manufacturer's directions. While waiting, cut remaining peaches into small chunks. The mixture will expand while churning. Prepare your airtight container. Add the peach chunks to your frozen mixture and stir to combine. Place the sherbet into a prepared container and place in the freezer for at least 6 hours or overnight. Allow sherbet to soften for 10 minutes before serving. Oh, so yummy! Please like and subscribe. And remember, ice cream solves everything.